Click on the link below to get price. The 1/2 carat TW diamond knot ring in 10K white gold showcases a beautiful blend of elegance and craftsmanship. From the moment you unbox this stunning piece, it becomes clear that it is designed with care and attention to detail. The ring features a unique knot design that symbolizes eternal love and unity, making it an excellent choice for engagements, anniversaries, or simply as a special treat for oneself. The 10K white gold band is not only durable but also offers a sleek, modern aesthetic that complements the sparkle of the diamonds perfectly. The combination of the rich metal with the brilliance of diamonds creates a captivating contrast that draws attention without being overwhelming. The ring is lightweight, ensuring that it is comfortable to wear throughout the day, while still retaining a substantial presence on your finger. One of the most appealing aspects of this ring is the arrangement of the diamonds. The 1/2 carat total weight is thoughtfully set in a way that maximizes their shine and brilliance. Each diamond is carefully selected for quality, contributing to a cohesive and dazzling display. The intricate knot design adds depth and dimension, making it a standout piece that is sure to garner compliments. In terms of size, the ring is true to its fit, ensuring that it sits securely on your finger. It's advisable to consult the sizing guide before purchasing, especially if you are unsure of your size. The ring's versatility makes it suitable for both everyday wear and special occasions, making it a valuable addition to any jewelry collection. Overall, the 1/2 carat TW diamond knot ring in 10K white gold is a stunning piece that beautifully balances style and sentiment. Its timeless design, quality craftsmanship, and the symbolic meaning behind the knot make it a cherished item that will be loved for years to come. Whether as a gift or a personal indulgence, this ring is sure to impress and delight.